Hubby usually washes his car using automatic car wash machines that are very common sights at gas stations in Japan. An automatic car wash machine is a facility to clean the exterior of motor vehicles. In Japan, the automatic car wash machines are generally of the type called exterior rollover car wash. These car wash machines have a compact design, and are very reliable and cost-effective. These machines are designed, manufactured, and engineered using super advanced technology of Japan, and its performance always beats my expectations. The machine delicately washes the body of a car with scrubbing, rinsing, waxing, and drying. It is a neat little device and no manpower is needed for washing the car. The accounting is no longer the type that counts the plates, and you can pay for the items you ordered on the tablet as they are. And take the barcode of the paper you enter at the time of entering the store to the cashier to pay. Contact with the store clerk is minimal, only at the cash register. An order error is when sushi that you didn't order is brought to your seat, or when the sushi you ordered hasn't arrived yet is already served. This store does not count the number of plates at checkout, so if the customer pays the bill without noticing that the sushi they ordered has not arrived, it is the store's fault and the customer suffers a loss. A branded sporting goods store. The store is large and has a wide variety of items.